We love our durian in Malaysia, so I'm sharing with you a Pengat Durian recipe. What we need to do is we need to blend about 700 grams of durian paste. So I've used my hands and just peeled off as much as possible of the fruit. So this is about 700 grams. I'm just gonna pulse it first. So I'm gonna heat up. Here I have 2 cups of milk with 2 cups of coconut milk. So we're just gonna put that all in. I have some pandan leaf or screw pine leaves. These are the Asian version of vanilla. It smells beautiful. Usually what we do is we just tie it up into a knot so it's easier for you to scoop out later. So that goes in. I'm just going to mix this up, stir it up. And I've got the pot on a medium to low heat. So here I have 160 grams of palm sugar. We call it gula melaka here. So I've just kind of grated it up so it's easier to melt. So you just put that all in. So I can start seeing a little bit of steam come together. Now this is the best time to put in that beautiful durian paste that we made earlier. So you want to add that all in. Okay, this is starting to smell delicious. The sugar has all melted and the coconut milk is now really becoming thick and you can really smell that hints of pandan leaf. Okay, it's time for us to turn this off. And I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes while I'm waiting for my steam buns to steam, and then we can serve. And just to finish it off, just a sprinkling of some salt. Get yourself a nice steam bun or a pao or just white bread, and then just dip. So good.